In this video I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram posts after 30 days. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and the first step to recover all the deleted Instagram posts after 30 days is to go to the bottom of this homepage, and among all these icons that appear, we must press on the profile image. Now that we are on our profile page, we have to go to the top where our Instagram username is located, and on the right of it, you will see these three horizontal lines, and we tapped on there. Now we arrive to the settings and activity panel, and here we go to the your account section at the top of this page, and we enter on the account center option. Now in this other page, we have to scroll down until we see the account settings section. Here we will see the your information and permissions option, and we have to enter there. Now that we are in this page, we have to press on the export your information option. Now in this page, we have to press on the create export button. Here we choose the profile in which the posts that we want to recover have been deleted, in my case the second account. Then in this other page, it is very important to select export to device. Now in this page, pay very close attention, because we have to enter on the customize information section. Now first we are going to the top where it says your Instagram activity, and on the right of it, we press on clear all. Now we are going to start scrolling down until we see a section labeled media, and we have to select it. Then we press on the save button at the bottom. After that, we press on the start export button. Here we have to enter a password to confirm it. We press on continue, and in 20 minutes we will have all the posts downloaded.